Yeah, fine. I wish you very good evening to every one of you. Fine. Let us make a start. Yeah, now come on to the page number 51, direction sense test. Come on to the page number 51, direction sense test. Right. Directions. I'll give you the basic input related to direction sense. I think this is also easy chapter. Directions related. Now you can see, as we know, dot represents 360. The dot represents 360 degree. Circle is also 360 degree. One full circle is equal to 360 degree. Any quadrilateral 360 degree. Triangle is 180 degree. So this is well known to every one of us. Okay. Now we can see straight line 180 degree. Straight line is 180. Okay. And opposite is also 180 degree. Let us see the opposite is equal to 180 degree. Now, so this is 360 degree. If you bifurcate this in two parts, 180 and 180. Now 90, 90, 90, 90, 360. This is each 45 or 45 minutes. It means this is 360 degree total by 8 parts, 45 minutes. It means there are 8 directions. Upward direction always must be considered as north. Always. On a piece of paper ಮೇಲೆ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ನಾವು ಬರೆಯುವಾಗಲಾಗಲಿ upward direction always must be considered as north ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಭಾವಿಸಬೇಕು. Even it is not correct. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ದಿಕ್ಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ನಾರ್ತ್. ನಾನು ಯಾವ ದಿಕ್ಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ? ನಾರ್ತ್. ಓಕೆ. ನಾವು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಯಾವ ದಿಕ್ಕಿನಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ನಾರ್ತ್. ಸೊ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಿಟ್ರಲಿ theoretically you must consider original direction is north. Theoretically. Now this is south. South. Rightwards is east. Leftwards is west. Rightwards is east. Leftwards is west. Now, north and east, north and west, northwest, south and east, southeast, south and west, southwest. So there are 8 directions. Each direction is equal to 45 degree. 2 directions, one direction is 90 degree, 45 degree, 2 direction is equals to 90, 3 directions is equal to 135. Like 4 directions is equal to 180 degree, or opposite is also 180. This is the right. Now we have to see the which is left, which is right. Left yavadu, right yavadu annodu now nodoಣ. Okay, right. Now we can see Yes, what are you trying to ask me? Why is this echoing? Echoing? Hello, hello, hello. Is this okay now? Hello, hello. Is it okay now? Now is how is my voice now? Yeah, how about now? How is my voice now? Okay, right. Now we can see which is left, which is right. We must know. Okay. Right. It is clear now. Right. Okay. Now you can see virtual direction for us is what? Now. It's a now. So ನನಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್. ನನಗೂ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೇಮ್. ನನಗೂ ರೈಟ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ಸೇಮ್. ನಾವು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸೌತ್ ಫೇಸಿಂಗ್, ಅವಾಗ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ರೈಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್. Now this is east facing, so the arrow mark is like this. This is left. Upper part is what? Left. Lower part is right. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ arrow mark like this is the left, this is right. That's a very basic input. ಇಲ್ಲಿ what is to be noted here? Upper part is always shows the north direction. That is a original for us. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇದರಿಂದ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಆರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಆರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. क्या क्वेश्चन से स्टार्ट ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ? Shall we start solving the questions? ಅರುಣ್ ಕುಮಾರ್, ನಿತ್ಯ, ಚೈತನ್ಯ, ಶರಣ್ಯ. Okay, we can start questions now. We can start solving questions, right? This is the basic information. Okay. So what is to be remembered here? Upward direction it must be considered as not, that is a original for us. Ali left namgo left same anta. First innella kuda okay now. Now you can see the questions now. Again this is one of the most easiest chapters. A girl walks 12 kilometers south from her house. Okay. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವೇರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ. ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ರೈಟ್. ಎ ಗರ್ಲ್ ವಾಕ್ಸ್ 12 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಸೌತ್. ಎ ಗರ್ಲ್ ವಾಕ್ಸ್ 12 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಸೌತ್. ಎ ಗರ್ಲ್ ವಾಕ್ಸ್ 12 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಸೌತ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅವರ್ ಹೌಸ್. ಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್. ಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ರೈಟ್. ರೈಟ್. And walks 26 kilometers. Walks 26 kilometers. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗ್ತದೆ. So again turns left. ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ turns left. Upward direction. Left. And walks 37 kilometers. So ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 12 kilometers. 37 kilometers. ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗ್ತದೆ. Okay. Right. ಇದು 12, ಇದು 20, 37. 37. Again she turns right. It is a north face ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಂತರ ರೈಟ್ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ and walks 6 meters. 6 meters. Okay. Now it is over. In which direction is the office of the girl from the house? This is the office. This is the office. This is the house. ಯಾವ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಯಾವ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾರ್ತ್, ನಾರ್ತ್ ಈಸ್ಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಈಸ್ಟ್. This is north, This is east. North is east. Yeah. Shall we move on to the question number 2? Next, question number 2. One day a man left his house for a morning walk and went 20 kilometers southwards. Went 20 kilometers southwards. He then turned right and the Ramug left and walked 8 kilometers. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗ್ಯಾರ 8. Again turned right upward. Walked 12. This is 12. ಅವಾಗ ಇದು ಕೂಡ 12 ಅಂತಾನೆ. And turned left. ಇದು left. And walked 10. How many kilometers the man has to walk to reach straight to his house? His house is here. Now he is here. How many kilometers he has to walk? 10. This is 8. So 10 plus 8. 80 kilometers he has to walk. Now question number 3. Priya cycles 5 kilometers north. Starting point plus path of 5 kilometers north. North. Then turns east. East, rightwards. East. Cycles 4 kilometers. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗ 4 kilometers. Then turns south, cycles 5. South, 5. East, same parallel agi, you have to bring this. This is 5. He turns toward right. Right and then left. Right, and cycles 6 kilometers. This is a 4. Illinda will be 4. 6 kilometers he can bring here. Where is she now with reference to her starting position? Where is she? Where is the starting position? This is the starting position. So that is west. West. 2 kilometers west. Option B. So you can take 2 kilometers west. Option B. Next, question number 4. X and Y start from the same point X walks, X and Y start same point. X walks 40 meters north. X walks 40 meters north. This is 40 meters. This is X. North. When meter north, then X will start from the X walks 50 north, then west turns west and then turns west and walks 80 meters. Or turns west. Not, then turns west and turns west. Turns west. Walks 80 meters. Either 40 is you can bring this line like this. 80. And then turns to right, upward direction. Walks 50 meters. Then X reaches together. At the same time, Y walks 90 meters north. Y walks 90 meters north. 40. This is 50. Y comes here. Y. Then, where is Y with respect to the position of X? Where is Y with the position of no? X again east. What is the distance? 80. See, east 80 meters. X. Option D. Next, question number 5. A migrant bird flies 40 kilometers north. 40 kilometers north. 40 kilometers north. And turns east, flies 50 kilometers. Turns east, 50 kilometers. Then turns north, flies 110. North. And turns its left and flies 50. And turns its left. So now right, 50. Where is it? Where is it now? With reference to its starting position. Okay, starting position. This is a starting position. Now, which direction it is? Northeast. North. It means dimensions is given. Somewhere there must be error. So, if flies 40 kilometers north, then turns east, flies 50 kilometers, that's okay. Then turns north, upward 110, and turns to its left. Turns to its left, okay. There is a mistake. Huh? Turns to its left, 50. 50 is 50. Now, what is the application now here? North. What is the distance? 110 plus 40. Why? 150. Option B. A option B. 6. A woman walks 3 kilometers north. 3 kilometers towards north. Then turns west, walks 4 kilometers. And turns south, walks 7. This is 3. 7. And this is 8. Turns to her left, number right. And walks 4. This is 4. Comes here. Parallel. Where is she now with reference to starting position? Starting position, this is the starting position. Where is now? Like south. What is the distance? 4. 4 kilometers. And south. 4 kilometers south. Option D. Next, question number 7. A paper boy cycles 10 kilometers east. East. 10 kilometers. Turns south, cycles 3 kilometers. 3. Then turns west, cycles 6 kilometers. 6. Then turns to his right, cycles 3. Where is she? Where is he now with reference to his starting position? Now this is the starting point. So what is the position of this one? Which direction is it now? Southeast. This is southeast. A paper will cycle 10 kilometers east. East. And turns south, cycles 3. Then turns west, cycles 6. Then turns to his right, downward. Cycles 3. 3. Where is he now with reference to starting position? Direction will go something. Direction they said, but the measurements cannot be done. So some information is lacking there. Only we can say measurements cannot be done here. I think some information missing. We put question mark for this question. Information is not sufficient. Even you cannot do Pythagoras theorem. Even if you do Pythagoras theorem, 10 plus 6, 16. 16, 6. No, you will not get. Okay. I think put question mark for it. Fine. And yeah, let me check now. But did you understand the concept of directions now? First of all, let me see that. So question number 7, keep it aside. Information is insufficient there. Yes, let me just see that is. Yeah, leave your comments now. But are you clear about now? Pulling the arrow mark, directions related. How much you have understood now? Let me see that is. Yeah, keep communicating. Yeah, Sudhanva, Puneet, Kavya, Sharanya. Question number 7 is 4 kilometers east. Do you get 4 kilometer east? That is. Yeah, see that is whether I may be wrong like that. Yes, a paper by cycles 10 kilometers east, no? This is 10 kilometers east. Okay, this is 10. Turn south and cycles 3. This is south 3 kilometers east. Then turns west. Oh, right. Turns west, no? West and cycle 6 kilometers. 6 means this is a 10. This is make it 6 here. Yes, now that's right. I was wrong here. Correct. And turns is right. Turns is right means what? Like turn 3, it reaches here. Oh, the distance is 4 kilometers. The starting point. I think the 4 kilometers is that's a pure right. You corrected me. I went wrong. Yeah. Who said this is right? Yeah. You just I really appreciate you. Yeah, for correcting me. Right. Yes, right. Okay, right. I was wrong. Corrected. That's right. I went wrong. I think the question is correct, no? Ah, but do you try and solve 8, 9, 10 questions now? Do it now. Yeah, do it by yourself now. Let me see that is. What do you think pulling arrow marks, no? Yeah, keep asking me wherever you don't know, wherever you cannot draw. In case any option says vary, you just come forward to ask me. Which question now? Question number 8. Right. A man cycles 7 kilometer east. Seven kilometers east, then turns south and cycles 12 kilometers. So 12 kilometers. This line should be much bigger than 7 kilometers. Then turns west, cycles 7 west 7 kilometers. It means this is 7. Turns to his left, downward. On cycles 10 kilometers. 10 kilometers. Where is he now with reference to starting point? Okay. This is the starting point. This is the north. Sorry, south. This is south. What is the side? This is south. 12 plus 10, 22. 22 kilometer south. Option A. Which question? 11th question. Right. Kailash faces towards north. Kailash faces towards north. Okay. Let us see. North. Turning to his right. Turning to his right. He becomes east. East. Walks 25 minutes. Walks 25 minutes. He then turns his left upward direction. Walks 30 meters. 30 meters. Next, he moves 25 meters to his right. Right. He then turns his right again, walks 55. Right. 55. Till here it is 30. 55. One more. Finally, he turns to the right. For us, left. Walks 40 meters. This is 25. This is 25. 40 means this is 25. You can breathe like that. Okay. This is 50. In which direction is he now from the starting point? So this is the starting point. It means direction comes like this. It means this is south and this is east. Southeast direction. Southeast. Option D. Option D. Yes, which question? 12th. Kunal walks 10 kilometers towards north. From there, he walks 60 minutes towards south. Again, south, 6. 8, this is 6. Then it is 4. He comes here. 3 kilometers east. This is 3 east. So how far in which direction? You see, with reference to starting point. Okay. This is northeast. Northeast. Now you can see like this is the Pythagoras theorem, right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, you can take Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is see like that. So A, B, C. See, Pythagoras theorem is what? Root AB square plus root BC square is equal to root AC square. What is the AB square? Let us see, this is the 4. This is 3. What is it? AB square is what? 4 square. Plus root BC square is 3 square. So root 16 plus root 9. Root 16 plus 9 is equal to root 25 is equal to 35. So it means 5. So this is 5. It means 3 plus 4 is equal to 5. In the Pythagoras theorem. So that's why this is 5. Northeast 5 kilometers. Is a Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. This is based on the Pythagoras theorem. Yeah, fine. At which question you are now? Let me know that. A. Sharanya, Kavya, Puneet, Chaitanya. You are at 14 question. Okay. Yes, Sharanya. Which question I should explain? 16th one, na? 16th one. So you have gone to 16th, right? Okay. 16th I'll do it. Wait for few seconds, huh? Right. Question number 16. We asked for 16. Question number 16. Maya starts at point T, walks straight to point U. Right. So now you can take it like this. Straight means you can take any direction. So I will take north, which is 4 feet away. This is 4 feet. She turns left. She turns left. Nanbu left, illi left, common at 90 degree and walks to W, which is 4 feet away. This is 4 feet away. This is U, this is W. And walks to and turns 90 degree right. Right. And goes 3 feet to P. 3 feet to P. This is P. This is 3 feet. And turn 90 degree right. And walks 1 feet to Q. 1 feet. This is a Q. 1. And turns 90 degree left. This is Q, left. And walks to B, which is 1 feet. This is 1 feet, B. This is B. And once again turns right. 90 degree right. And goes to R, 3 feet away. This is 4 feet. This is 3 feet. It means parallel you have to be. This is 3 feet. This is R. What is the distance between T and R? This is T. T and R. This is the 4. This is 4. Totally 8 feet. Yes, 17th question. Yeah, you are asking for question number 17, no? A villager went to meet his uncle in another village situated 5 kilometers in the northeast. See, this is the starting point, northeast. This is 5 kilometers northeast. From there, he came to meet his father-in-law, living in another village, situated 4 kilometers in the south. 4 kilometers in the south. This is a 4. How far away, in what direction is he now? Right. The starting point. This is what, because this is the Pythagoras theorem. So 3 plus 4 is equal to 5. Pythagoras theorem you have to keep. Now what happens now here? Normally, see, if you take like this is 3, this is 4, this becomes 5. Now, say like root AB square plus, once again I am writing, root BC square is equals to root AC square. What is AB square? This is ABC. Right. Now 3 square plus BC square, 4 square, root AC square, and 5 square. Now see, root 9 plus root 16 is equal to root 25. And see, root 25 is equal to root 25. So 5 equals to 5. That's it. The same way this is. Now what happens now here? So you have to do the reverse way. So like root AC square minus like root AB square we take. So 5 square minus 4 square. It means 25 minus 16, 9. So root 9 is 3. So you can take 3. So Pythagoras theorem based questions. Directions linked with the Pythagoras theorem. Yes, Puneet, what about 18 you want? A walks 10 meters in front. Front means you can take any direction. Okay. I'll take north. And 10 meters to the right. Right. Then every time turning to his left, 5, 15, 15. Every time turn left 5. You take 5 misses. Again left 15. This is 10, no? You take like till here, this is 10. Another 5 you can take. Again left 15. This is 5, this is 10. It comes like this. How far is now from the starting point? This is the starting point. Right. How far means this is 5. 5 kilometer or 5 meter, whatever the direction, west. Right. 5 meter, that's all. Direction is not asked only. Direction is asked. Only measurements is not asked. Yes, Kale Shahar, you want 21. Okay. 21. See, Ravi wants to go to university. He start from his house, which is in the east. This is the house. Start from his house, which is in the east, and come to a crossing. From here, it comes to the crossing. The road to the left ends theater. This is a theater. Straight ahead is the hospital. If you come straight, this is the hospital. Right. In which direction you see? There are three directions field. Now, university is in north bank. That's a very simple one. So we shall start with a new chapter. Again, this much simpler one. Yes, Arun Kumar back now. Now, I will show you one or two questions, then you can do it. This is much simpler also. Logical sequence of words, page number, immediate chapter that is. Arrange the phases of inquiry-based learning approach in a sequence from phase 1 to phase 5. Right. Now we can see question number 4. B PGE. And discussion. Discussion, orientation, conceptualization, conclusion, investigation. Investigation. Now options you can see it. Option, okay, this is capital letters right here. A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, B. Option B, E, A, D, B, C. C, B, C, E, B, C, E, D, A, D, B, E, B, E, A, C, D. Right. Now, these are the options. Let us see. There are five phases are there. There are first phase. Which is the one will take place? First orientation will come. This is the first. Orientation. Orientation. And followed by what? Orientation. After the orientation, investigation will take place. ಓರಿಯಂಟೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್, ಒಂದು ಐಡಿಯಾ, ಒಂದು ಸಿನರ್ಜಿ, ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಓರಿಯಂಟೇಷನ್. ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ನಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ನಂತರ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್? ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ will happen. Okay. Conceptualization, it will happen. Discussion or concept. Conclusion is the last word. Okay. Conclusion is the last word. Now we can take discussion. Andre ಅದು money matters, so time bound program. And next to conceptualization. And conclusion. Orientation, what is that thing? B. This is B. Investigation is what? E. B. Discussion is what? A. Conceptualization, C. Conclusion, D. Now what is the C? B, E, A, C, D. B, E, A, C, D. This is the option D. So option D. Yeah, next question. 2. Arrange the following words in a logical and meaningful order. Accident, ambulance, rash driving, injury, hospital, treatment. Okay, which one will happen? Rash driving. Rash driving. Rash driving will lead to accident. Bring to like after the accident, injury. Then it comes to Alex, and then the hospital. Then it comes to treatment. This is the what. What is the rational item? 3. Accept 1. And initially 4. Ambulance 2. Hospital square. Verified 6. So only what? 4, 2. 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 5, 6. Here sequence 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Oh, no, what is the word? Rash timing is 3, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 4, 2, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6. This is question number 3, 1, 4, 2, 5, 6. 3, 1, 4, 2, 5 is option C.
అవస్థ రిపేర్ బాస్ Please. That's I out of the bad but so even it isn't is the sad Susan said it that
Yeah, are you solving now questions? Yeah, keep responding. Yes. At which question you are at now? Yeah, Manu Kumar, Rakesh, Arun Kumar, Kavya, Puneet, Sharanya, are you able to solve? Yes. Yes, fine, fine. Very nice. Very nice to see.
Speed and letting Japan.
Yes, you're done now, Kavya? Fine. Yeah, let's see about others. This is most easiest one, no? Yeah, Sharanya, Puneet, where are you now? Arun Kumar, Rakesh, Manu Kumar. Yeah, you have done it, no? Sharanya, fine. Yeah, Sridharan. Yeah, Puneet, you have completed. Yes. What about Rakesh? You have done it. Rakesh has completed. Kavya completed. Puneet completed. Sharanya is completed. What about Manu Kumar? Kel Shahar is completed. Sridharan. Okay. Manu Kumar is done fully. Huh? Arun Kumar is okay. Fine. What about Sridharan? We'll wait for Sridharan for a minute. Yes, you are just joined. Okay, right. Yeah, fine. We shall move on to the next topic, coding decoding. Some questions can be solved. Right. Yeah, and coding decoding. Question number one. Yeah, coding decoding, you can see. Right. Question number one. Few questions I am doing it. After that, you can do. Tomorrow also will continue because there are many concepts are there in this. Right. If ABC, if ABC is equals to 6, EFG, EFG as 210, then GIM equals to what? Question mark. Now, and see the ABC is 6 here. EFG is 210 numbers. Now we can see A, position of the letter A, 1, B, 2, C, 3. So, like 1 plus 2 plus 3 is also 6. And here EFG is 210, but very big number, maybe multiplication order. Now 1 into, like you can take A into B into C, 6. 1, B is 2, C is 3, 6. Right. Like EFG, E into F into G is equals to 210. What is E? Fifth letter, F is sixth letter, G is seventh letter. 13 to 7, 210. Yes. Next, Jim. Jim equals to what? J into I into M equals to what? J is the 10th letter, I is the 9th letter, M is the 13th letter. Is equal to what? Now 1 into 9, 13 into 9 is 7. So 970. 970. 970, I don't know. Okay. 13 into 9. Okay. 13 into 9. N is the 30th letter. Jim, no? Okay. What's Jim is asking for what? Can be coded as, right. Now Hij. Okay. Ij, 9, 70. What is the thing? 90. We look 30. Eleven 70. So 1170 is the question number 2. In a certain code language, train is coded as BPCGP. BPCGP. Then the word proud, how the proud can be written? PROUD. Proud can be written. Now we can see T is written as V. T, after T, what is the first letter? U. Then V plus 2. If you read from the forward order, you can take plus. T adanantara, U is the first letter, V is the second letter, plus 2. Right. R, PQR minus 2. Previous letter. Okay. ABC plus 2. HI minus 2. NOP plus 2. Plus 2 minus 2, plus 2 minus 2, plus 2 minus 2. That's the sequence. Now, PQR. Right? Like PQR reverse you can, or P you can, right? OPQ, STU, yes, you can take STU for back forward order. EF is that. RPQ, SF. Option B. Next, third question. In a certain code language, A is coded as 10. See, A is coded as Z. First letter from the beginning, first letter from the last. A is the forward order, Z is the reverse order. B is coded as Y. C is coded as X. X. Right. Then, and so on. And so on means you have to do till last. Perfect can be written as PRFCT. Right. Perfect. What is the position of P in the forward order? M is the 13th letter. N, O, P. 14, 15, 16th letter. So this is the 15th letter in the forward order. What is the 16th letter in the reverse order? So N is the 13th letter. 14, 15, 16. What next? What is the M, N, K, N, M, K? You can take K. E is the fifth letter. What is that? E, B, K. R is the 18th letter. What is the 18th letter in the reverse order? So N is the 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. M, N, K, N, M, K, J, I. You can take I. This is sixth letter. U we can take. E, V can take. C already is there. X, T, sir. This is X. T is G. K, V, I, U. K, V, I, U, I, U, V, X, G. Option A. Option A. Yeah, did you get this first of all? Let me check them. Did all of you understand this? Yes, Sharana, you got it. Okay, you got it. Yes. What about others? Rakesh, you got it. Yes. Next, Kavya, you got it. Fine. Arun Kumar, Manu Kumar, you got it. Puneet, you got it. Yeah, Sridharan, Arun Kumar. Yes. What about Sridharan? Yes, you got it, no? Right. Okay, fine. Then I'll move on to the next question. Yeah. Question number 4. I will write detail. Yeah? Then sun rises in the east. It is written as ST, SR, ST, SR, SI, SH, FA. Sun sets in the west. Sun sets in the west. ST, SC, ST, SC, SI, SH, SU. Your house faces east. Your house faces east. SN, SM, SA, SS. This house faces east. East. SC, SM, SA, FQ. Okay, what is the question? How the words east and west are coded? East and west are coded. Okay. See, east. So where do you see east? East you can see here. East. That is the last one. Where do you see east here? Second group you don't see. Third group we can see. Space. You make it this correction, west case. Right. Now, east, see the last term. What is the last term? SS. You can take SS, it's a common in both. You can take SS. West. West, you can see the second group and the last group. Now we can see SU. SU. Yes. SS, SU is the SS, SU, option C. Now we can start solving. 5 and onwards. Yes, Kelshah, that is explain the sixth question, no? Right. Sixth question. In a certain code language, Delhi is coded as 19. Question number 6. So 19 first. Okay, how it is possible for Delhi is 19? Because position of the letter you can take. What is the position of the letter D? 4, E5, L12, H8, I9. C equals to 19. First we can see the additions. So 4 plus 5, 9, 14, 9, 21, 29, plus 38 it will come. 4 plus 5 plus 12 is 8 plus 9 equals to 19. Then it becomes what? 38 is equals to 19. How the 19 is possible of 38 divided by 2? Divided by 2, you get 19. And how will Gauhati be coded in that language? GU, WA, A, T, I. Is question mark. G is the seventh letter. U, 21 plus W, 26, 25, 24, T, U, B, W, 23 plus 1 plus 8 plus 1 plus 20 plus 9 by 2. You get here. Yes, okay, you got it. What about eighth question? Okay, eighth. Okay, there is only one word is there. Eighth, charcoal. Charcoal is coded as the 4516. 4516 4913. 4913. Right. You can take cold card. Who the cold card can be written? COALPER. Right? You can see the safe letters COALCAR. Okay. Here C can be seen twice. C is 4. C is also 4. Right. Now we can take C can be taken 4. O can be 9. A can be written as 1. L is 3. And C again 4, 1. What is R? 6. Option is available. Yes, Sharanya, what explain the ninth one? Fine. Ninth one. In a certain code language, 24685. 24685 is coded as 33776. 33776. And 35791 written in that code. 35791. 35791. Okay. So 2 is written as 3 plus 1. 4 is written as 3 minus 1. 6 is written as 7 plus 1. 8 is written as minus 1 plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1. Plus 1 minus. Plus 1 minus. That's the sequence. Plus 1. 4, 4, 8, 8, 2. So this is the answer. Yes, KL Sheikha. 15th one. You have gone to the 15th. Right. Fifteenth then. In a certain code language, GRSTB, GRSTB is coded as GYX, GYX, WL, WL, and written as XISF. XISF. How will what is MNDET? Right. How will MNDET? See, there are two words. If there is more than one word, maybe letter to letter you have to see immediately. If that is not possible, you can see the position of the letter. Let us see there. What is the letters here? MND. M is not here. M is not there. Okay. Now you can see the position. Now we can take how it is written. You can see now. G is a, then say, now R white for, SX is a for. Okay, this is again so little crazy on this six. Now you have to see what might have done here. Maybe reverse order. G. After G is what? I, J, K. Yeah, fourth letter. Like that. If you take that. I don't know. I'm trying it. Or S, T, U, S, T, U, B, W. Maybe it's plus 5. Yes. T, U, V, W, X. I know T, H, I, J, K. No. H, I, J, K. Okay, plus 5. S to X, T, U, V, W, X plus 5. T, U, V, W, X, 5 plus 5. C, D, E, F, G plus 5. Reverse order plus 5 is there. Reverse order. Now, reverse order, you can take T. T is there. T is written as the white. E. E is not here. Okay. F, G, H, I, J, D. D is written as, how the D is written as, we don't know. Anyway, E, F, G, H, I. E, F, like, I lost the track. Try it. Now E comes here. No? F, G, H, IJ. Okay. For D, EFGHI. For N, you think NOPQ or S. M, NOPQR. This possible. YJISR. YJISR. Option D. Yeah, where are you? If we don't, if we cannot crack, please ask, keep asking, and keep responding. Don't be panic. Don't hesitate to ask. At which question you are now? Yeah, Kail Shekhar, 19th question you want straight. Okay. 19th question. You are at 19. Huh? Yeah, what is the 19th? Straight is right. Straight. TSA or TSA or GTTH. GTTH. And now we can see like see that. But this is now. Think this is I. I. See, two letters you can take separate. Two letters are interchanged with each others. That looks like T. That's why correct it little. STRE TSA RG you make it. Right. How will Thursday be written in that? HT or UTS 1. Yes. Also explain 20th question. 20th. Okay. Yeah. 20th question. Madras is quoted as NV. What do you support? NV ESBT. How the Bombay variator. Right. M is written as L plus 1. E is written as B plus 1. Plus 1. Plus 1. All of the letters are plus 1 plus 1. Now, C, O, P, M, N, C, B, Z. Yes, no, you got it. Yeah, fine. Yeah, it's time to wrap up the program. We shall make ending the session today. We shall assemble back again tomorrow at same time at 5 o'clock as scheduled. Fine. Yes, thank you all. Have a nice evening. Fine. Voice. Keep telling, okay, 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 like that. Okay. Yeah, keep responding. Shall we wrap up the program? Say yes. Say yes. Okay. Right. Sure. Yes. What about others? Yes. Yes. Let everyone say yes. I want you to say yes. Huh? Yes, Rakesh. Yes, fine. Hmm? Kail Shaka. Yes. Okay. Yes, Vidru Nayak. Yes, fine. Huh? We shall end the session. Fine. Very nice. Good luck. Huh? See you tomorrow. Bye. That's it for the day. Thank you all.